Kowalski, signal the chimps to meet us at the rendezvous point with the superplane. Hotel Ambassador. Let's move it. Yeah. Huh?
Voila. Joaf at 12 o'clock.
Guys, we got a tail.
Paparazzi! Pedal to the metal, Private.
Don't take any photos, please. Hi.
Here I am.
Don't take
No more pictures! Medic! ETA to rendezvous point.
2 minutes, 37 seconds, sir.
Man your battle stations.
Hey, wait! Nobody's at the wheel! Get back there! Blaming him on the driver! There's no driver!
Don't just sit there, fancy pants. Grab the wheel.
Are you kidding? I don't drive, I'm a New Yorker!
Move over, Miss Daisy!
What are you doing? Zebras can't drive! Only penguins and people can drive!
What do all these buttons do?
Nice one, Stripes.
crazy woman gaining!
Our Omega-3 slick will take him down. Private, activate. She's good. Kowalski, intel.
Sir, we have a serious problem. Capitan Chantal Dubois, Monaco Animal Control. Perfect case record.
You're going the wrong way, Marty!
Just call me Marty or Andretti.
No, you're Suckio Andretti!
Stop backseat driving.
I'm passenger seat driving and I want the wheel. Give me the wheel!
It's not a wheel, it's my baby.
Your hoofs aren't meant to be on a wheel!
Hey, hey, too late for you to
Don't
drive.
look at me! Don't look at me when we argue! Look at the road!
Be cool, be cool. Hi, officer. Is there a problem?
Hi.
Oh, watch out!
We need more power. Time to fire up Kowalski's nuclear reactor.
That's a nuclear reactor?
Nuclear.
She's on the
But
roof!
sir, it's not ready. The control rods will have to be calibrated, and don't even ask me about the uranium-238 blanket.
Okay.
Okay, Marty! We lost her! Maybe you can slow down now!
I can't. There's no brakes.
No brakes. No way to commit, soldier.
Ah!